Hi friends, my today's recipe is a veg masala sandwich in a brown bread. So let's start making. First, we will be making a chutney with mint and coriander. We will need 1 cup of mint leaves, coriander leaves 1 cup, lemon 1 medium, ginger a small piece, garlic 3 to 4 green chilies. In a mixer grinder, add the mint leaves and coriander leaves. Then we will be adding garlic, small piece of ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies, onion half slice, salt as per taste. Grind everything to a smooth paste by adding little amount of water. Transfer it to a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Next, let us make the potato masala. Boiled potatoes. Here I have taken 3 big potatoes. Smash all the potatoes with a fork. Mashed potato is ready. Now we will need 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic, 1 teaspoon of green chilli, half slice of onion, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a bunch of coriander leaves, 1 lemon. Now let us make this. Keep a kadai, add some oil, add the ginger, garlic and green chilli. Saute it till the raw taste goes. Now add half slice of onions and saute everything together. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next we will be adding the smashed potatoes. Add the potatoes and mix everything. At this stage we will be adding 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. Squeeze out a lemon and add the juice to the potato masala. Now let's add the coriander leaves. Check and add salt. Mix everything together and transfer to a bowl. Our masala is ready and I have transferred to a bowl. Now let's start making our vegetable masala sandwich. Take a brown bread, apply the green mint and coriander chutney on one of the slice. On other slice, let us apply some tomato ketchup. Apply the potato masala on the slice on which we had applied chutney. Now keep both the slices together. I am making one more batch with the same process. Keep the sandwich in the toaster maker. Apply butter on both the sides and toast the sandwich till we get a brownish shade of color. My first batch of veg masala sandwich is ready. Cut it into 2 halves and serve hot with tomato ketchup. Do try this recipe and send me your feedback and suggestions. Thank you for watching my channel Lakshmi Amma's Kitchen. Stay safe and stay happy. Thank you.